You're going to learn だ、じ、ず、で、ど. So first, だ 1, 2, 3, then 点々だだ The next one is じ 1, 2, 3, then 点々じじ So these two are exactly same sound. Katakana, shi plus 点々じ and ち plus 点々じ Okay, so the next one is ず 1, 2, 3, then 点々ずず These two also exactly same sound. Katakana, す plus 点々ず and つ plus 点々ず Next one is で 1, 2, 3, then 点々でで And then the last one ど 1, 2, then 点々どど Now let's review. What is this? Da. What is this? Ji. What is this? Do. What is this? De. What is this? Zu. So you learned だ、じ、ず、で、ど in this lesson. Next will be な、に、ぬ、ね、の. See you in the next lesson.